Hello, welcome to the Eagle 6 Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this Mark 18 NGRS. This one came in for a repair and service, this one had we found broken gears when we went inside and inspected it. A few teeth off the sector gear. Obviously we get asked quite a lot, whether we should or shouldn't, what recommended upgrades are. Should you replace the gears, should you not replace the gears? In this particular case, they hadn't actually worn down, so they'd actually broken and parts had sheared off, so they sort of failed more than they had worn. So yeah, obviously we run the risk potentially when we run standard parts, even potentially upgraded parts, that at some point, something can happen and obviously parts can break. Obviously the upgraded parts are meant to be stronger and more invulnerable to this. So here's the problem, do you upgrade at the beginning, do everything, or do you sort of see how long it goes? Yeah, it's obviously a tough one. There's no easy answer to it. So, but obviously we've installed Prometheus hard gears in there, so that should resolve this problem. And in theory, the Prometheus one should never break going forward. So, hopefully, you get a bit more longevity, and they keep on going forever. Obviously, Prometheus gears are really well priced. They've now redone them. The same old normal Prometheus gears as normal, except now they're $64.99, so a lot cheaper. Really great product and a great price, I can't stress that people should be buying them, more than anything. So because they're just great product and great price. So, but yeah, we've installed the Prometheus hard gears. Like I say, repaired, just cleaned it up, and now we're obviously ready to test it. FPS results are 342 on 0.2s and 259 on 3.2s, and we're ready to give this a go. Go. So all tested. We hope you have a really great time. Any problems, let us know. But otherwise, have fun. Thank you.